Before we dive in, let's meet Demant, the heavyweight champ of hearing healthcare. Founded over a century ago, Demant has grown from a small Danish company into a global powerhouse, setting the standard for innovation in the hearing industry. Their journey is a story of relentless pursuit of better solutions for people with hearing loss. And today, their impact is felt in nearly every corner of the world. This isn't just another company. Demant is a global leader, shaping how millions hear the world. With operations in more than 130 countries, their reach is truly international, and their influence extends far beyond just products. They're changing lives, one sound at a time. They cover everything: high-tech hearing aids, advanced diagnostic tools, and a network that stretches worldwide. From research and development to manufacturing and distribution, Demant controls the entire value chain, ensuring quality and innovation at every step. Brands like Audicon and Interacoustics, that's Demant. These names are trusted by audiologists and users alike, known for their reliability and cutting-edge technology. Their products are found in clinics, hospitals, and homes across the globe. Their mission: reconnect people to life sounds, laughter, music, conversation. For Demant, it's not just about devices, it's about restoring the joy of everyday moments and helping people participate fully in life. But, make no mistake, this is big business, and when Demant moves, the market listens. Their financial performance is closely watched by investors, and their strategic decisions can shift the landscape of the entire med-tech sector. With an aging population, demand for hearing solutions is booming, and Demant is riding that wave. As more people live longer, the need for hearing care grows, and Demant is perfectly positioned to meet this rising demand. Their moat: cutting-edge tech, global reach, and brand power. They invest heavily in research, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in hearing health, and their global presence gives them a unique advantage. Understanding Demant means understanding a huge slice of medtech. Their influence touches everything from clinical practice to consumer technology, making them a key player in the future of healthcare. Now, let's see how this giant plays the game, and what we can learn from their strategy and success. Let's dive into Demant's fourth quarter, a period where the company didn't just meet expectations, they absolutely crushed them, leaving analysts and investors genuinely impressed. This wasn't a case of barely scraping by or just hitting the numbers. Demant delivered results that went above and beyond what anyone had forecasted, making this quarter a true standout in their recent history. Analysts set the bar, but Demant soared over it, showing that their strategy isn't just working, it's excelling. This isn't just a lucky quarter or a one-off event, it's a clear sign that the business is firing on all cylinders, with every department contributing to this success. When a company consistently outperforms, it's a signal that their leadership planning and execution are all aligned and effective. When a company beats earnings, confidence surges, not just inside the company, but across the entire market. Investors take notice, and the stock price often follows suit. It's like running a lemonade stand and selling 75 cups when everyone expected you to sell just 50. Demant didn't just meet the goal, they outperformed, plain and simple. This kind of performance can attract new investors and energize existing ones, creating a positive feedback loop. Results like these build real momentum and trust in management. It's not just about one strong quarter, it's about the bigger story it tells, of strength, resilience, and a business that's not just surviving, but truly thriving. Investors and employees alike gain confidence that the company is on the right path, and that leadership knows how to navigate challenges and seize opportunities. In healthcare, where regulations are strict and challenges are constant, this kind of performance is especially impressive. Demant's big win is more than just a good quarter. It's a green flag for investors, signaling that the company can handle complexity and still deliver growth. It shows they're not just keeping up with the industry, but setting the pace. A strong finish like this can set the tone for the entire year ahead. It gives the company momentum, boosts morale, and provides a solid foundation for future growth. Investors look for companies that can deliver results under pressure, and Demant has shown they're up to the task. The market loves a winner, and Demant just proved they are one. Their performance this quarter wasn't just good, it was exceptional. Now let's take a closer look at what powered this impressive victory. The secret to Demant's Q4 success, their Diagnostics division. Diagnostics is the first step in hearing care, sophisticated tools that pinpoint hearing loss. For years, hospitals delayed buying new equipment, but in Q4, spending surged. Demant was ready, capturing this pent-up demand. Diagnostics is high margin, so its rebound supercharged profits. Think of it as a restaurant's farm having a bumper crop. Everyone benefits. This comeback in diagnostics lifted the whole company. It signals healthcare is stabilizing, with clinics investing in the future again. For Demant, diagnostics turned from a drag to a growth engine. It's a powerful sign of recovery in the sector, and it's reshaping Demant's outlook. So, Demant's Q4 was a home run. What does that mean for your investments? Let's break it down. When a company delivers such a strong quarter, it's not just a headline, it's a signal that something is working exceptionally well within the business. For investors, this kind of performance can be a turning point, either confirming your strategy or prompting you to reconsider your approach. If you already own Demant stock, this is validation. Your thesis is working. It's a moment to feel confident, but also to stay vigilant. Strong results can attract more attention from the market, potentially driving the price higher in the short term. Don't rush to sell just because of good news. Let your winners run. Sometimes the best gains come after a company proves it can deliver consistently. Consider if your reasons for investing are still intact and whether the story is just getting started. If you don't own it, now's the time to dig deeper. This could be the start of a bigger trend. Ask yourself, is this a one-off, or is Demant setting up for a period of sustained growth? Look at valuation, competition, and whether Demant's momentum is sustainable. Compare their numbers to peers, and see if the market is already pricing in future growth, or if there's still room to run. Think of it like a neighborhood where home prices are rising. Do your research before jumping in. Sometimes, the best opportunities are found by looking just beyond the obvious, at companies or sectors that might benefit from the same trends. Demant's strong quarter puts the whole hearing sector in the spotlight. When one company outperforms, it often means the industry itself is experiencing tailwinds, like new technology, changing demographics, or regulatory shifts. When a leader posts big numbers, competitors and suppliers might benefit too. Sometimes the rising tide lifts all boats, so keep an eye on related stocks and partners in the supply chain. This is your signal to look for value across the industry. Explore companies that might be flying under the radar, or those poised to catch up. A strong report from Demant is a lighthouse, guiding you to other opportunities. Use this moment to scan the horizon for new ideas and potential winners. But remember, good news is just the beginning of your homework. Dig into the details, read the fine print, and understand what's driving the results. The real question, can Demant keep it up? Sustained performance is what separates a flash in the pan from a long-term winner. Let's look at what's next, and how you can position your portfolio to benefit from the trends shaping the future. Hold up. After a stellar quarter, Demant's management issued a cautious outlook for 2026. Why? They're managing expectations, not promising the party will last forever. Maybe diagnostics surge was a one-off, or competition is heating up. Economic uncertainty could slow premium hearing aid sales. It's smart leadership. Under-promise, over-deliver. Think of a star quarterback saying, "One game at a time. This isn't a red flag, but it's a yellow one. Stay alert." The Q4 win shows where Demant's been. The 2026 outlook hints at a tougher road ahead. As investors, balance excitement with caution. The future may not be a straight line up. Let's see how this shapes the industry. Demant's results ripple across healthcare, especially hearing aids. The diagnostics rebound signals clinics are investing again, a good sign for medtech. But Demant's caution for 2026 is a warning competition and new consumer options are rising. If the leader is wary, smaller players should be too. Pricing pressure and innovation will define who wins. Investors must separate short-term boosts from long-term trends. Diagnostics recovery is a cycle. Hearing aid challenges are structural. The industry's future belongs to the best innovators. Demant's outlook raises the stakes for everyone. Only the strongest will thrive. Let's talk risks. Demant faces fierce competition from giants and new entrants. Over-the-counter hearing aids could disrupt the premium market. Economic downturns might delay purchases or push buyers to cheaper options. Regulatory changes in global healthcare could hit profits overnight. Technology moves fast. Falling behind could erase Demant's lead. Their moat is strong but not invincible. Staying ahead means constant innovation and adaptation. Any misstep could cost them their edge. Investors need to watch these risks closely. Now let's flip to the opportunities. Despite risks, Demant's opportunities are massive. The world's aging, demand for hearing solutions will only grow. There's a huge untapped market. Millions with hearing loss don't seek help. As tech improves and stigma fades, more will become customers. Innovation is Demant's weapon. Think smarter, connected, health monitoring devices. They can outspend rivals on R&D, creating new markets and premium products. Diagnostics remains a stable, high-margin growth engine. As healthcare modernizes, demand for Demant's tools will stay strong. A balanced business, consumer and diagnostics, makes Demant resilient. The long-term runway is clear. Let's wrap up with what to watch next. Here's your playbook. Watch Demant's core hearing healthcare segment. Is the cautious outlook for 2026 playing out, or are they beating expectations? Keep an eye on diagnostics. Was Q4 a fluke or the start of steady growth? Listen to management's tone in future updates. Optimism or more caution? Demant's story is about balancing big wins with real risks. Your job: weigh the evidence, do your homework, and decide if you want a ringside seat. Now you know what to watch for. Get in the game.